Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut sound in Capcut. Okay, now I have already added a sound on my video and now we're going to cut the sound, okay? And the sound is right here. And if the sound is longer than the video, we can cut the sound by clicking split button. But before you click the split button, you have to choose the part that you want to remove. Okay, click split right here, click split. Okay, and then we can click delete right here to remove the part of the sound that we don't want to use. Okay, click delete. Okay, now the part of the sound that we don't want to use has been removed, and we can also cut the sound by click on the sound, and then click and hold like this. Okay, that's so easy, right? Just have to click and hold or tap and hold, and then you can swipe your screen to the left or to the right. It's up to you. Okay guys, that's the tutorial from me. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.